All right, this is a simple and fast review of the OGERY Tabletop Fire Pit and stand. So what we're going to do is get it unboxed and then demonstrate how it works. All right, so the wrapping seems pretty nice. We'll get into the details of all these little pieces. Looks like a little carrying case. That's the actual main base. Of course, you'll have your instructions, your user manual, and then, of course, your stand. So, real simple. This will be going onto a flat area, and then the bottom's just going to fit right in there. All right, so just a couple things that I want to cover. First of all, this is going to be used outdoors, never indoors. Obviously, there's a risk of smoke damage and everything like that. And the way this works is it's going to create kind of an extra space that's going to allow the air to flow through without actually like killing the fire. So you can see the holes in here. You never want to have the wood above those holes or your lighting pellets, whatever you're going to be using. And then, of course, this is going to kind of just go in there real simply as kind of the, I guess, the mesh cover for any kind of fire that's blowing through and anything like that. This will allow air to circulate through this thing without the fire actually going out in any way, shape, or form. So I'm going to just show you some images based on what the lighting instructions are. So obviously, up here you'll see that you want to use something long to kind of light. You'll want to kind of just keep the stuff around, whether it's lighting pellets or not. You're around the area here, and then of course this piece then goes on the top and fits in, and you should be able to keep a nice little fire burning. So I'm going to grab some lighting, kindling, and take this outside, and we'll demonstrate it. One final piece before I actually do that is just remember that this is going to get super hot. So once you're done creating a fire, do not touch this thing for quite some time. That's why we want to use this base. So if anything does get crispy at all, it's going to be the base, not your table top. So what I'm going to do is, again, just put it in the bag and take it outside and get it going. Before I do that, I guess I should show you how it fits in the bag, nice and snug, and then just tighten this up and pull this down. So it's pretty solid. Now, obviously, what we could do is just put it on the top, and that way there's nothing in here, but who cares? I'm just using it to travel outside. All right, so I put a little kindling in here to try and get this thing going here. And of course, you'll see the pellets in the background. So after a little bit, it'll get going, and you'll find a nice little flame cooking in there. And you can see the pellets cooking nicely after putting in a little bit of kindling to get things really going. And the one thing that you do need to be aware of is the height of it. So again, it's going to cook up a little bit and have some flame flying, so just be careful with that. Otherwise, hope this helps you with your buying decision, and thanks for watching.